For me, I didn't have the best experience in school. My entire family liked sports. Me, I was sci-fi, Star Trek, Star Wars. I was a little bit of an outsider. When I left school and I found my people, it was amazing. And that's what I want in every aspect of the life that I live. We're working within an industry that we felt was just trying to tick boxes. And there were people being left behind and we thought, well, this isn't right. We very much look at the small things matter. It's about how you speak to people as well as learning the fundamentals. We always say don't rush the first couple of ways. We know for a lot of adults it looks as if we're just playing and we're just having fun in the pool. But that's the point. That's what's going to keep them coming back. And for them to enjoy it, they need those foundations to be strong. For some children, if this is what they like and they don't belong, it's a very cold and lonely existence. That's why I want to try and give a place for anyone who wants to take part in aquatics. The more options you give, the more chance you've got of giving people a place that they can find and think, yeah, this is me, this is what I love.